Hi everyone, I'm Lisa from Down to Earth Gardening and Design, and I'm out here in the garden today where you will very often find me. I've been professionally gardening for 22 years with Down to Earth Gardening and Design. I'm a master gardener, garden designer, and certified herbalist. I love to talk about gardening, and I love the exchange and how it brings people together. My mom was also a professional gardener. I grew up in the business. I have very fond memories of that. But I'm out here with my cosmos and dahlias today, as you can see. I absolutely love being in the garden, and I love everything to do with gardening. So I hope you will join me for some future videos, subscribe to our channel, and join me for a lot of fun in the garden.